Yo, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to react to Albert, and the title is Braveheart. So guys, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started. Braveheart from Armenia. Shout out to the people of Armenia. Sounds is good. So maganda yung effects, maganda yung sounds, at maganda pakinggan. Yung kanta parang may pagka-emotional. Then maganda yung effects at yung cartoons at maganda yung pagkakagawa ng video. Yung video parang may pahiwatig at parang may gustong sabihin. Emotional siya pero maganda siya pakinggan. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ng effects, maganda yung effects niya. Then sumabay pa yung maganda yung tugtog niya, yung sounds. And may pinapahiwatig yung kanta. So maganda pinapahiwatig ng kanta. Grabe no yung kanta, no? Parang ramdam mo yung lungkot pero may ibig sabihin. So maganda yung pagkakagawa ng video at very meaningful. Grabe no yung pagkakagawa ng video at parang ano siya, yung malalim siya, malalim pero may ibig sabihin. So yung sounds talagang maganda pakinggan. Yung pinaparating ng kanta ay malalim siya pero ang pagkakaintindi ko ito ay yung may pinagdadaanan. Pero maganda siya naman pakinggan. Wow! maganda yung song, maganda yung pinapahiwatig, very meaningful, at malalim siya, malalim yung ibig sabihin. Pero ayun nga, talagang ramdam mo na kapag pinakinggan mo ay talagang may lungkot. Pero maganda yung effects, maganda yung pagkakagawa ng video. Then maganda siya pakinggan. Okay guys, this is a Junior Eurovision Song Contest. So very meaningful ang kanta, maganda siya, maganda pakinggan, kaya lang talagang very emotional. So maganda yung kanta at very meaningful. So that's the video guys, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.